Hello, I'm Darren Jones, the Technical Training Specialist for Iconics Imaging. What I'd like to show you now is how to replace your cartridge filter in your CrystalBlast 3624. What you can do first is remove the cap underneath your dust collector. You want to have a bucket handy in case you do have any dust particles that do fall. That will empty out this container and make it easier to remove the filter later. In this case, we don't have any dust. Take our bucket, set it aside. Now what we need to do is remove the hopper underneath the dust collector. And that's done so by removing 4 bolts, 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. All right, now that I got all my bolts out of my dust collector hopper here, I'm now going to release the hopper. Now underneath, I have a knob here that you would turn, and that's going to release a bracket which is holding the dust collector in place, or filter in place. We'll have to. So again, you turn this clockwise to remove the knob. Then you're going to turn your filter bracket at a slight angle so that way it allows the filter to drop. So here's our cartridge filter. Make sure we inspect it. Look for nice clean pleats. You don't want any dust, any grime, hardened areas, once again, very dark areas. If you see a lot of dust on the outside of the filter, that's usually a sign that it's not filtering through. So that's the time to replace it. On your filter bracket assembly, there's a plastic or a rubber washer. And that's important to keep because if it's not with the metal washer, what will happen is you're going to have an escape of dust get away. So you make sure you have this rubber washer intact when you do put it on your new filter. So you're going to go straight up. And it's going to sit up there nice and tight on you. Then you take it and make sure that the rubber washer is on the metal washer. You're going to put that right into your hole. And you're going to put it at a slight angle again. And then twist the bracket so that way the filter is sitting on top of the bracket now. So we're going to go ahead and screw this knob here, and that's tightening the bracket to the filter, and you have a nice tight fit. You're not going to have any dust escaping the filter or around it. After you get all your bolts in place, your nuts on really tight, you are now ready to use your CrystalBlast 3624. Thank you.